Now, all the discussion that we've had so far in this chapter has been about a business enterprise. Enterprise, as you know, is the skill of an entrepreneur. And when an entrepreneur starts up a business, we call that a business enterprise. And what really defines a business enterprise is the fact that a business would be always working towards making a profit. The end goal is driven by the motivation to make profit, to sell for a higher price than it costs you to make something. So profit motive is what all business enterprises have. However, there's also a particular type of business which is slightly different from the way a normal business enterprise would work. And we call that business a social enterprise. Now, whenever in your course you see the name social come up, you should automatically keep in mind that we're looking at the larger community or the society, which includes not just your customers, but your potential customers and other people who might be impacted by what your business does and the decision it takes. And a social enterprise is going to be very different in the way that it tries to cater to its customers. A social enterprise will not have an objective of making a profit to satisfy the owners. Okay? Or what a social objective does, or social enterprise does rather, that it has objectives or it has targets that goes beyond just making profit. They do not stop at making the profit that okay, the job's done, let's go home, spend it on a nice dinner. That's not going to be their objective. Rather, what they're going to do is to choose that money in providing some sort of benefit to the larger society, the people living around them. So, in a manner of speaking, they're working towards providing social welfare. Now, you must understand at this point that a social enterprise does not rely on any donations, meaning they are not a charity. They will have their own products, they will design them, they will sell them, they will earn money from it, and from the money that they earn, they will use those profits for the greater good for the society. Now, these objectives that we talk about, benefiting the society, those objectives collectively are called the triple bottom line. Now, the triple bottom line collectively are three objectives that all social enterprises will have. And they will all start with first making sure that they complete their economic objectives. Now, what does that mean? That means that whatever happens, the first objective is to make profit. Like I said, like all business enterprises, they will make profits, but they will go beyond just making profits. They will use those profits for the benefit of the society. So, in order to benefit the society, you will need to first make the money to be able to spend on the society. So, the first target that all social enterprises will have is to let's make money first. And once that part is sorted, they will then try to make sure that whatever actions they're taking, whatever products they're making, however they're conducting their business, they are trying to benefit the society around them. The community, the people, all them around the business must be benefited from their actions. Now, one of the ways through which they are able to provide these benefits to the society is by creating jobs. Okay? Jobs for people who are living around the business, near the business. As a business, you should feel some responsibility towards the immediate community or the society around you. And one way to give back to that society is to create jobs for the people in and around the business so that you are benefiting the people who are directly impacted by you. And finally, the third part of the triple bottom line is your environmental objectives. Here, the business is going to do its utmost to make sure that whatever they do is in the interest of preservation of the environment. So, don't cut down trees in whatever product you're making. In fact, do more to preserve them, planting trees, making an irrigation system, making sprinkler systems that make sure that the parks stay green and healthy and people can enjoy it, are all methods through which a business is able to achieve its environmental bottom line. So just remember that it works in this particular sequence. You first got to make a profit out of your business. Once the profit is made, Then you use it to provide social benefits as well as making sure that you are preserving the environment. Now, it will serve us well at this point to have a comparison done between what a social enterprise is and what a normal business enterprise is, because often in CIEs, a very popular question asks you to list down the similarities and the differences between a social enterprise and a normal business enterprise. Now, we've discussed both of them individually, but let's see them in a form of comparison. How are they similar or how they are different from one another? And as we go through the similarities of both these systems, we see that they're quite identical to a certain point, meaning that a social enterprise starts its business by identifying customer needs. It's the same thing that a normal business enterprise does. A social enterprise will also produce the product themselves, meaning they're not going to hire someone else or ask another company to make the product and simply sell it themselves. They're going to go about the whole process of making the product. And how do you produce a product? By first acquiring resources. Your land, labor, and capital and enterprise together, the resources will be required to produce whatever product's been decided to make. And once you've made the product, you would obviously try to make sure that you sell it for a profit. Because remember, the first triple bottom line is economic. You've got to make a profit first. If you compare that to a normal business enterprise, and remember from our first lesson together that a business enterprise also does these four things. It identifies customer needs, produces the goods themselves, they acquire resources, and they end up making a profit. So up to this point where both enterprises or both types of businesses make a profit, they are absolutely identical. The difference starts coming up when you decide how to use this profit that you've made. And as we know that a normal business enterprise obviously has investors, owners, so they're working towards giving returns in the form of money back to the owners. So most of the profit on the business enterprise end will be given back to the owners in the form of dividends. Okay, dividends is the term we use for the money or the share of profit you give back to the owners as a thank you for their investments. Dividends. Some of those profits will be saved for expansion later so that you don't have to go asking for a loan or favor from others. You can use your own money. So a business enterprise will also save some of its profit. And while you are operating your business, of course, some business costs will be occurring, and some of those costs, in fact, all of those costs are paid off using this money that you've made as profit. A social enterprise, as you remember from our previous slide, has objectives beyond profits. So once it's made a profit, then it goes about reinvesting it into production. So they will make more products and try to make them available to the society at perhaps better quality, cheaper price, easier access. Any way that you can benefit the society through your product, you will reinvest in that process and try to distribute your income to the society. And I do not mean by simply putting them in an envelope and giving them in their hands, but rather giving them jobs. Remember, social enterprise does the second bottom line was called social bottom line, where you're creating jobs for the local people. And by creating more jobs for the local people, you end up sharing your profits with the rest of the society. So in that sense, you're also distributing to the society. And since they're acquiring resources, running a business, a social enterprise will also have business expenses, and they will also be paid from these profits. So similar to the point that they make profits, different about how they use them. Business enterprise will give it back to their owners, whereas a social enterprise will work on the triple bottom line, collectively economic, social, and environmental.